please.
Yeah,
Where's the
just
permission?
saying-
You are digging the road.
You ask
You're
PWD.
digging
the
this
road.
is a newly
You're digging
tarred
the road.
You
road.
ask PWD.
You're digging the road.
Yeah, I'm digging the road.
Where is the permission?
Permission is there with PWD.
Bring it.
It is there with PWD.
Bring it.
Do you have anything in writing?
They have. They
Are
have
you
told no.
permitted
They
to
have
dig a
told.
road?
Yeah.
Are you permitted as a
Yeah.
citizen?
Yeah.
We know you are Mr. Montserrat's man. You can't
That's
be
what-
citizen.
that's what-
Please don't do this.
Please don't.
Tomorrow all
You have to
citizens.
take any politician's name. Don't
Sorry,
take
No,
any
I'm
sorry.
politician's
No.
Because you are well connected with the politicians, you are doing this late in the night. We are going to make this official complaint. And this is for all residents. We feel bad that PWD is being very irresponsible in not taking care. The corporator has been also irresponsible in not taking action. And the MLA, who's also a minister, has not been proactive. This is the same building where they have a school. And right now the resident, the AE has told the resident that to go ahead and do this work. They don't have manpower, they don't have anyone. I don't know where all the workers are. So PWD minister, this is for you to see what is happening. Please be alert citizens, take action, but let's do proper work with proper documentation. That's all that we are inquiring about.